Cement tiles are versatile and durable decorative tiles that create stunning and unique designs in any room. They come in a wide variety of colors, shapes, and sizes, so you can find the perfect tiles to match your style and needs. Cement tiles are used for many different applications, both indoors and outdoors. They are a popular choice for floors, walls, and countertops. Cement tiles are also a good choice for areas with high moisture, such as kitchens and bathrooms. They also pair well with terracotta tiles to create a stunning space. You can even get creative by installing cement tiles for decorative features, such as mosaics and murals. Let's start a project together. We're happy to send you pricing, samples, design advice y más. We also ship worldwide. Contact us today.